Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the layer so you can always revert. This protects the original. Once done, zoom to 100% and inspect the colored edge to see its width and hue. Make a new blank layer above for edits and set blend mode to normal. This lets you paint corrections non-destructively. Use the eyedropper to sample a clean nearby color. This gives you an exact target to neutralize the fringe without guessing. Next, choose Select, then Color Range and click the fringe to isolate it. Increase fuzziness until the edge is selected, but keep interiors free. Once selected, use Select Modify Feather with 1 to 3 pixels to soften transitions. Make sure to refine with the lasso if stray areas remain. With the selection active, add a layer mask to the duplicated layer or paint on your correction layer using a sampled color set to 50-60% opacity for subtle blending. To finish, sample a nearby neutral color and use the healing brush or clone stamp at low opacity, about 20-40%, to blend the corrected edge into the background. Once blended, try layer matting to fringe with 12px or use the reduce color fringing filter for residual tint. If you still see a halo, undo the last step and increase selection, feather slightly or lower painting opacity. This fixes hard edges by making the transition more gradual.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.